how to download or email invoices, receipts, and statements. In this training session, we'll explore how to access and send invoices, statements, and receipts. You can do this either from a family's profile or within the Finances module. Let's first look at the statements. Begin by clicking the Preview Statement icon in the Billings column. From this point, you have the option to download a PDF of the statement or email it directly to the parent or sponsor. If needed, you can input a custom email address. Once you have the email selected, click the Email PDF button. Your preferred mail service will open to send the PDF. Similarly, to review an invoice, click the Preview Invoice icon in the Invoices and Credit Memos section. You can then view, download, or email the invoice. While statements provide a general overview, invoices detail the specific amounts billed to each sponsor. You might need to email an invoice to a grant contact, for instance. Ensure you have an email on file to proceed with sending the invoice. To view a payment receipt, click on the Preview Receipt option associated with the relevant invoice in the Payments and Refunds Credits column. This will allow you to view, download, or email the receipt in relation to specific invoices. Receipts can be sent to any of the designated sponsors. If you need to add a note to an invoice, statement, or receipt, you can do so here by clicking the Add Memo icon and then entering your message and clicking Save. That completes the process. Thank you for watching.